Hey Dana, welcome to my vlog. Well, unfortunately I have a trooper that has a problem with my trailer. I haven't had a problem with any of the other troopers or any of the other police departments. They may just haven't paid attention. But unfortunately I just got stopped, and she doesn't like the idea that I've adapted a bed to the car dolly. So I don't know what the difference is. It's lighter than hauling a car, but I don't know. It's just going to be a preference as to how the individual officer decides they want to do about the dolly. So I'm not sure what's going to happen here, whether I'm going to get a fine or what's going to happen here. So we'll find out. It's taking a little time back there. I don't know what's going on. Well, she's writing me a ticket for non-registered. I don't know. And I'm not exactly sure how to get it registered, because it is a car dolly. And all I've done is adapted a bed to it. So I'm not sure. Hopefully she can tell me, because I don't know. And this has got to be the first time she's had this evolution. So I don't know. Well, I got a ticket for unregistered trailer. So be on the safe side. Make sure that you're I guess and say do not do what I did. So now I gotta figure out how I can get this registered. Get this trailer registered so I can use it either way. Other than that, I'll have to get another trailer and register it. So anyway, what are you gonna do? I gotta go to local traffic court and see what I gotta pay for it. But anyway, I guess it's paid for itself, even if I gotta pay a fine. I know you're gonna have to pay for court costs, that's for sure. So that's $50 right there, which I didn't need. So anyway, we'll find out. Nope, I didn't need that. But like I told her, I said I've been stopped, and they didn't have a problem with it. So, and I've had it like this for about 2 years, and I've carried everything from the stones to the lift. But she wouldn't have had a problem with it with just a car dolly, but adding the bed to it, she didn't like that. Anyway, what are you gonna do? Well, I can turn this in as being for guilty. You just send it in, and then they'll send you probably a ticket for your fine, or you can go ahead and show up for court. I just don't know. I definitely have to plead guilty for it being a trailer and not registered. But the side thing is, it's a car dolly, and the car dolly does not need to be registered. So using it as a trailer, it's not registered. But as a car dolly, it doesn't have to be registered. So kind of in a different boat here. So I don't know. I'll have to see. I just got to decide whether I want to send it in or go to court. Hey, Dana here. Welcome to my vlog. Here's continuation now of my issue with my car dolly trailer. According to DMV, I had to come down to a certified weight station and get the vehicle weighed. Right now, as long as it's under 1,000 pounds, you're not going to get a title. You don't need a title. You just get a registration for it. So my weight on this puppy is 840 pounds, and it's probably an extra 10-15 pounds because the trailer got wet, so the wood is wet. I went to court and had to pay a $150 fine. My issue with it is I put a removable bed on a car dolly, and they consider that a homemade trailer, and it has to be registered. So I made an appointment a month ago. I went to court, had to pay a $150 fine, and I got into DMV this morning. Well, a long line to get into DMV. And I just overheard, I was there a half hour, and I just overheard saying, well, somebody was up front, and they says, well, if you have an appointment, you need to go in and let them know. I'm like, where's the sheriffs? The sheriffs used to come out and tell you, who's next in line. So I've been standing there a half hour, and I was supposed to be in there at 12. So I went in there, and I told her, hey, I'm standing out here in line, and I guess I was supposed to come in and tell you that I was here, not knowing there's no sheriffs there. And then come to find out, the website for appointments is either been shut down or there was a glitch and people had to come in and stand in line and wait. And of course, there's two people, and one went on lunch when I came in. So she says, well, you're 12 o'clock, I'll get this person done and you're next. Well, there's 20 people behind me. More than half of them weren't able to make appointments, so they were walk-ins, and they're doing appointments first. So that made things a little bit stressful. But to make a long story short, I was able to get in there, get my plate. I got my plate. $22. So in the end, now my vehicle is registered. Every 2 years you register it. If you do it within a year, you can do it online. You don't have to go to DMV. Now I'll attach it to the bed. And when I take the bed off, I don't have to worry, But wow, this has been an experience, because I've had this bed on here for 2 years, and I've been seen by troopers and town police, and nobody's ever stopped me until this one time. And so $150 fine. If you were to buy a trailer, it would cost you, I don't know, $1,000, and I wish I had the video of me putting this, building this. Unfortunately, I don't know if I left I don't know where it went. It's just the video and the vlogging of it's gone. So anyway, what was I gonna say? Yeah, if you're gonna the paperwork that had to be done, 802s, you had to have the form for vehicle, being a homemade vehicle. You had to have you had to go down and have the weight of the trailer certified, and then the last thing was you have to tell her how much weight you want to be carrying on it. So at that point, you know, I had it set for, you know, 1,000 pounds. So even though I know I've been carrying a ton on it, 2,000 pounds, I don't plan to carry any more than that on it. You know, it's a utility trailer, and it's just, you know, so I'm going in to get gravel, so they're gonna put whatever they put in the dumpster in the bucket in it. So anyway, so that was a quick video, kind of a combination of 3 things. So that's what I did today. I'm actually on my way down to Wilbert's. That's what I'm down here for, is to get the anti-skid, get 2 anti-skid cables off of a Jeep Compass, and hopefully that's going to fix my anti-skid situation, because I just changed both bearings, and they're brand spanking new. So even though new doesn't mean good, and I've also got to get an antenna for it. So there we go. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and you'll catch me on the next Dana Crosby's vlogs under Dana's Garage.